What's up, y'all? Got something to show you. This is my future art studio and YouTube studio. Let's take a tour. Now it absolutely looks like nothing because when I moved in, the previous owners left a few things in here and I just kind of left it the way it was simply because I didn't have any manpower. And second, I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I just knew that I wasn't going to use it as what it was built for. I'm not putting my car in it. So at the moment, it's being used as storage for the moving boxes, some other boxes of stuff that I bought, leaves, trash, and everything else. So, you know, I've been really thinking about how I want this whole space to look because, you know, I believe that your workspace should be separate from your house. So as great as it's been to be in my house, I think I've just kind of outgrown it as far as storage goes, as far as being limited in range or motion of where I can put my things, or like if I wanted to hang some prints just to kind of examine them. I don't have that space. I'm in a bedroom and I'm grateful for that bedroom, but now I think it's just time for me to literally spread my arms, spread my wings, and just consider like, what exactly am I going to make of this space? So today is the day where the junk people are coming. I'm excited about that. Now it'll allow me to see just a clean slate and then visualize where I want things to go. So let's play a visual game of where things could potentially go in my new space. So what you're seeing is just all of the stuff that needs to be picked up. Like I said, there's some cardboard boxes, there's the leaves, the bag of leaves, all of that hazardous stuff. Of course, I have to take it to a separate spot, so I'll make sure that I do that. But you know, like I said, let me think about, I'm just thinking about where I would put certain things. So what I do know is that I want like this long work table, so that way I can put, you know, some chairs there. It could be a place where I eat my lunch. It can also be a place where I take meetings, take calls. But I want this, you know, this really long, nice table to be in this space. And then maybe back here, it could be storage and bookshelves and whatever else that I, you know, consider in this space. Over there, I want that to be where I put my desk, and whatever other trinkets, whatever other storage things. I haven't quite figured out what I want on this end yet, but I'll think about it. I've been looking at a lot of things on Pinterest, a lot of ideas. You know, it's a lot of people, especially in the pandemic, who decided to do the same thing, convert their garage into an office space, like an office space slash man cave, she shed, exercise space. But yeah, so that's what I plan on doing as well. Maybe on this wall it could be the exercise space. Really not sure yet. All in all, I just know that it's Operation Get the Hell Out of My House before I lose my mind in that really tiny room trying to do everything, because I just simply can't do everything in there. Now, what I am excited about is just having a project where it's all new to me. I'll be honest, I'm kind of afraid of doing this, just simply because, again, I've never done anything like this. But in the new year, I wanted to prove to myself that in order to be great, remain great, or add greatness to your life, you have to step out of your boundaries. And this is, well, I should say my boundaries, but my comfort zone. And my comfort zone has always just, you know, take things the way they are. But moving into this house has been something that I've coined as like a continuous project. And in order to, you know, step into a new realm, have another creative hobby, have another creative process. I want another space, and I have the space in my home, so why not make it into something that I'm going to love as I create it? It's like having a home in my backyard, and yeah, it's a thrill. I think I'm more afraid of the financial part, but with me being capable and being a believer that whatever I put in the atmosphere, I will receive. I'm going to receive. I'm going to receive the help that I need. I'm going to receive the right people who's going to help me, you know, make this into this well-rounded, beautiful place and space. And yeah, I mean, I honestly just can't wait to get started. So some of the major things, there's a lot of major things that have to be done here. One being electricity. So this garage does not have electricity, but I've already talked to somebody to do that. I'm going to get several estimates just to make sure that, you know, I'm happy with what I'm hearing, and also just to learn what their process looks like. Along with electricity, this space needs to be insulated. So it's just pretty much a bare frame. There's a Black-owned interior designer that I've been eyeing. I won't say their name just yet because I want to make sure, you know, just like with anything else, you want to make sure it's the best fit. So I'm excited to chat with her about, you know, what some plans would look like. I don't know, I want a door. I want windows. I want a lot of things. I want a lot of nice things that's going to make this space bright, a place where it's not just an office, but a place where my friends can come hang out. I'm looking forward to that. I mean, it's just this, I feel like the home that I have is being cultivated into just more than just a home, just like this art space, this free space, this space to just really like kick it. And I want to keep building on that. I mean, I love having my friends over here for parties, for just get-togethers, just whatever. And, you know, when I was telling you about right here, how I want to have this long table, I want my friends to come over so they can work too. You know, again, it's not just a space just for me. It's for a space for just creatives. And there's so much in store for this year. For 2024, just in a very critical and artist and just being open to everything kind of space. I know that probably didn't make sense, but it'll make sense as the year progresses. So I just wanted to give you all like a somewhat tour of what's to come. It's not gonna be a fast thing, but it is going to be a very sacred and precious process. So yeah, peace out. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Happy 2024, and say hello to the new space. Peace.